honey buffalo wings. So to the pot, I add water to boil, add pimento, scallion, garlic, thyme, onions. Add my all-purpose seasoning for the wings, wash with white vinegar and lime. Here me add them to the pot, boil them for 15 minutes, take them out, cool them down, season with onion powder, garlic powder, my all-purpose seasoning, little drizzle oil. Now I'm going to put them on a baking rack, put inside the oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Now I'm going to make the sauce. To my skillet, I add butter, green seasoning. Here I'm going to add the buffalo sauce, give it a stir. Now I'm going to add soy sauce. Here I'm going to add some honey, add some more butter. That is it. Now the wings them bake, take them out the oven, put them into a bowl, add the sauce, toss them in the sauce. Now I plate them. Look at that. Now I'm going to have one with my homemade ranch. Check the description below for the ranch recipe. Try this recipe. Me know you never have nothing like this. Peace out.